Each customer order is made by hand. We start with selecting the parts for the frame, then it goes into frame assembly where they glue, screw and dowel every joint. So then it goes into pre-upholstery where they'll add the springs, the card, the hessian and the foam. That goes through to cutting where they select the fabric for pattern matching. The seamstress gathers all the different elements and sews each piece together. Then it will go into upholstery. That's where the upholsterer can get his fabric. Then it goes through to quality control where they follow a 10-point checking list. One of the good things about sofas and stuff is it's not mass produced. Whether it's bespoke requirements, that's followed through and like one person is making that sofa.